Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year! I know I said it the other day, but I'll say it again because it's officially January the 1st now. So yeah, here's to a great 2026 for all the sports snappers out there. Well, I've just arrived at Mansfield Town for their game against Bradford now. Bradford are 3rd, Mansfield are 11th. So I think I'm going to opt for Bradford attack first half. We'll get signed on and I'll show you where I'm going to sit. Right, well, got the pass sorted out and let's have a first look at the ground. I'm going to hang about, I think I'm going to hang about at the dugout till kick-off, and then obviously whoever wins the toss will choose which way they're going to attack. So there we are. Some nice lettering on the seating, so I'll get that in the GVs. The pitch looks good. It's quite open and it's quite drafty today, so it's going to be quite chilly, but anyway, I'll go and pop my gear down at the dugout, go and grab some GVs, and we'll catch up at full time. Well, bugger me, another one of those results. Oh, Mansfield 2-0 up at half time. Like I said, I went Bradford attack first half, but I did get one of the goals and then he celebrated back towards me, so that was nice. But it's been a cold old game, so I decided to stop for Mansfield attack second half, and that paid off. Not a great goal image, as you'll see in a minute, but some lovely celebrations in front of me. But flipping heck, I can't feel my toes. That's by far the coldest match so far this season. Talks of a bit of snow next week, so we'll have to see. But anyway, I'm going to get the heater set on my feet and see if I can get the icicles off it. I'll see you back at home. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First off, you should never start with an apology. Sorry for not getting a video out Friday. Last week was absolutely mental. Managed to film I should have filmed 2 games last Monday really, but I filmed a game to come out on Wednesday and then thought, right, I best get another one done, and I just never got round to it for Friday. So sorry if you logged on to YouTube and I wasn't there. I try not to miss too many Fridays, but I get really anxious when I miss a video, and I know especially on a Friday. So yeah, this one, well, it's Monday night now. Whether or not it'll go out tonight or not, it might be a Tuesday night, and then I'll try and get one out for Friday again. Might sit here and do 2 films, two filming sessions. But anyway, let's crack on. And I've got to say a ginormous thank you to Clive Parker. He contributed to my Kofi fund, bought me a few coffees, and yeah, absolutely fantastic, Clive. Can't thank you enough. And it all adds up. And I looked in, because it goes on the Kofi fund. It's like, they class it as a coffee fund, where it's £3 a coffee and you can buy as many or as few coffees as you want. That goes into my PayPal, and I went on there the other day, and it's collecting together nicely. So, you know, whether it goes to a bit of fuel in the car, or towards a memory card, or towards a bit of camera kit. But yeah, absolutely fantastic, Clive. Can't thank you enough. If you haven't seen it yet and you've missed it, Clive went into the description below, and in there is a link to the Kofi page. And yeah, anything is absolutely very well received, and really appreciate that, Clive. Can't thank you enough. Brilliant. It's adding up nicely now. But anyway, right, let's crack on. I'm going to have to try and remember this game, because this is Mansfield versus, I can't even remember. Can't remember who it is. We'll see in a minute. But yeah, at Mansfield, at the Stags, and yeah, it was quite a good game, and I got some CELE'S. Let's crack on. Right, it was Mansfield versus Bradford. Forget my own head one day. But yeah, so let's have a look then. And I saw these. I saw one of the coaching staff put these out, and I thought, oh, that might just fill an empty gap at the bottom in the grass. I got that, and they've got Stags on one end, and you'll see they've got Mansfield Town Football Club, MTFC, on the other side. So really, I always try and fill my boots at Mansfield Town, and there we are at MTFC. So low angle with the chairs, colourful chairs, then a high angle, And I really did fill my boots. I did the whole perimeter around and just filling my boots with all the lettering on the seats and whatever, and trying to get slightly different angles. This probably wouldn't work so well if they want lettering on the seats, so that works okay. And again, lots of empty space here to put a team sheet in or whatever if they want to use it online. But filling my boots, went into the net, wide angle, 15mm, look, yeah, 15mm, f11, down to 100th, just to make sure I've got everything nice and sharp, right from this grassy area, right the goal mouth, right to where the far end, f11, should give me a nice long depth and get everything sharp. As long as if you're getting a big depth, obviously your ISO is going to fly up if you're at a fast shutter speed, but luckily for this I can go down to 100th and keep that ISO down. So yeah, then one of the corner flag, as you can see, I've gone right down to f4.5. I'm back up to 6/40th to try and stop any movement in the flag because there was a gentle breeze, and I want the flag to be sharp and then a nice drop off, everything else sort of nice and soft round the back, and that's achievable if you go down to f4.5, which is the lowest my little wide angled lens will go down to, me 15 to 30, but it does the job nicely. And then you can see here, look, I'm still at 4.5, but I've zoomed right out now, and I probably focused on the stand, I would think. And the sun just popping out here, look, you can just see a bit of a glare, which was nice. So yeah, I think I must have focused on that area at 4.5 and got all the stand and that and the further background in focus. And again, just looking, I'm just trying to square off or compose the two floodlights with the MTFC. Again, just looking for something a bit different, emphasising the stand. Carrying on my way round, look, nice widey again. F5 for this one. Again, I'd already got that at the other side, so I thought I may as well get the stags in as well. And incidentally, I think someone commented, where was it? Was it, can't think where it was, but someone commented on the different shapes of netting that different grounds use, and I've never really paid much attention, but obviously I think most of the time they're hexagonal, but some goalmouths are square nets. But anyway, yeah, someone commented on that recently. I spotted this, it wasn't there, it was further round, and I thought, oh, I'll have that because it's got the Mansfield town logo on there and the colours, so I thought I'll have that and just hide most of the stewards here that were having a bit of a brief, and just get the stags in. So I just thought I'd focus points on that, and then there's just a nice drop off. So yeah, just trying to think outside the box, and if you've got time and you're okay to move a prop like this, then just move it and put it in your frame. Getting a few fans arriving, these two were nice and happy, got them coming, then went outside and got these four coming. That's probably a nice family shot there, I dare say, and yeah, that's nice. You can see the front of Mansfield's looking a bit sorry now, but yeah, thought I'd get that. And then we've got Bradford arriving, here's the gaffer arriving. Now I'm sat quite low, because you'll see in a minute, I sat low underneath the fans that were here, and they're all autograph hunters, and thought I'll try something different. And there was a bit of glare coming from the sun. Unfortunately, there was a bloody ambulance there, but we made the most of it. You can see that this is a bright area here, so the sun's just up here, and got some nice stuff. And there's that ambulance look, but I don't know, because it's the same colour as Bradford town, Bradford city, it sort of works all right with what else is in there. But yeah, there's that glare look. I like that. Nice bit of glare, and players signing the autographs just gives it a nice bit of atmosphere, doesn't it? But and then I just stayed on my knees, and the players sort of ignore you a bit, and you can get some nice natural stuff of the players signing autographs and that. And that one's quite nice with his tattoos look. And he's having a laugh as well. So yeah, they work quite nice. And then as they walk off, you're obviously nice and low, and you can get some nice clean backdrops. And anyway, back into the ground now, just to get some of the lads. And I am enjoying me low angles at the minute. So I've got the R3, I've flicked the screen out, and I've literally got the R3 touching the grass, composing as they're walking in the screen that's flipped out. And quite like that, and I really do like this one. You know, just working on your thirds again, and they could always put some text in here if they wanted, or they could crop it tight. But yeah, quite like that. Nice clean backdrop as well. They were having a nice chat as they walked off, so that was good. And again, same here, or just looking at the stands and looking at the ground and just leaving half and half. And yeah, I quite like them angles when they work right. They do work well. These four look really colourful, so I had to snap them. Couldn't resist snapping them. It will give me a nice smile. And then I'm thinking, I always sit down usually when I'm doing warm up on the R5, and I thought I'm going to get up this time and do some higher stuff on the R3. So just filled my boots with them warming up, and then that's on the R3, quite like that. Nice and tight angle, top half of his body, and just getting them warming up, that works quite well. Nice shapes, and again, that's quite nice, quite like that. And I think this is made by the fact that he's got one of his teammates here, then him, then a couple more. It just sort of balances out nicely, so quite like that one. And then just getting some of Mansfield warming up as well. I like the way he's peering through his snood. Shows how cold it was. It was bloody cold. In fact, this was the coldest game I'd done for a while. I could not feel my feet at the end of the game. And just one of them. I spotted them, so I thought we'd better have you guys as well. And a bit more warm up. And then here's Kofi coming out, Mansfield Town manager, and just filled my boots. You'll see I filled my boots with the managers in a minute. 1 or 2 handshakes between players and officials and mascots. And then yeah, just really filled my boots. Bit annoying that look. Obviously the floodlight sticking out his head, but it works all right. 1 or 2 more, just filled my boots. And again, I like to get these low angles of the managers because you can really get some nice thoughts going through their mind, can't you? And that's nice. I love that one. That's really nice. That could, you know, you could have a bubble here. You could have thoughts, match thoughts from Kofi or anything to fill that. That's why I've left that in a 3x2 that way, in a landscape orientation. And then I wasn't aware, but because this was the first game of the new year, in fact this was New Year's Day, they had a minute's applause for any loved ones that had been lost, or any ex-players or anything that had been lost the previous year, which was good. So just filled my boots, and I'm at 3.5 there, yeah, 3.5. So focused on this lad here, and then just a nice drop off. And again, got the players, and here we are looking loving memory, so that worked out quite nicely. Then a close-up of the Mansfield Town players. Nice bit of applause, and then I went behind everyone and just carried on shooting away. And right, we're off now by the looks of it, and that fell perfectly, look, for a corner kick. And I put, am I on the R? Yeah, I'm on the R5 here, so I actually put the R5 on the ground for this corner. Got a nice low angle of the ball and the player's foot. And then we're off, and just lots of action here, battling for possession. And thought he was going to score here, but he didn't. I think he kicked it there. Yeah, that's right. Keeper saved it, and or I think it was a block, and then he had a second attempt, and the keeper saved it. But yeah, Bradford were all over him at the start, and you'll see I moved with Bradford in the end, because I think Bradford were at the top. Were they top of the league? I can't remember now. I'll have said it in my piece to camera. But yeah, ref having a quick word here with Reed, and then a thumbs up. And look at his eyes on the ball. That is concentrated on the ball, look. And anyway, is this still in the first half? Yeah, still first half. Mansfield Town take everyone by surprise and score first. And that was his first goal. Got it. I think the keeper saved it. He saved it. And then on the rebound, he slotted it in. And some lovely celebrations here, look. Really did fill my boots here. And you'll probably see I've left 2 or 3 in, because sometimes you don't get anything, but that was really nice. Look at that. See the dejection on the Bradford players, and Oates here with a lot of jubilation. So yeah, that worked well, and then I just followed them away. And you'll see, was it on this goal? Because no, it's the next goal, I think. Filling my boots here. And then this one, I don't know why, because it didn't really affect it here. I think they were stood further away there. And then when I missed this next goal, it was a pretty quick goal afterwards. But the digital boards are just sort of lighting up red. And as you'll see here, didn't half play about with my colours, look, and I just didn't have time to try. And I think I might have tried to get the colours best I can, but we're way out there. And it's because of this digital board, and it was all backlit red. And then you can see when they've moved away from the board, look, colour tones are right again. But yeah, my bad really. I should have. You can just see it affecting it. looks all right there, and then on the next goal, the next celebration, a few minutes later, you can just see this lighting up red, and then bosh, and yeah, I should have worked a bit harder on the colours there, and then we're back to normal. But nice bit of action here. I love the body shape here in this player. I've still got that bloody cough. Anyway, we'll soldier on. Thought I'd get it there, 2-0 at half time. And anyway, here comes Cloughie, half time now. And did I move with Bradford? No, I didn't. I stayed where I was for Mansfield attack, second half. That's right, because here we are, look, they're attacking now. And here's Oates' second goal. A body away from me. I'm going against me rules a bit, really, because you can't see an eye, but it was the only sort of goal image that I got. So anyway, he ran towards me, and I got some lovely CELE'S, look. Filled my boots here. And he's kissing his... He must have a tattoo there or something, kissing his tattoo, and then as he ran past me, nice CELE, jumped into the air, and got some nice stuff there. Then he span round towards me, and lots of celebrations with his teammates. Filled my boots, and I'm thinking all the way I'm shooting this, yes, I've got a nice CELE for once. And I was nearly as happy as he was, I think, getting a celebration right down the pipe hole. So yeah, worked out really nice. And that's it, 3-0 to Mansfield. And got Bradford defending a bit. Mansfield, and I thought he was going to get number 4 here, look, and it was blocked. But look at that, if that had been a goal. Got the ref in it watching as well. And anyway, yeah, and I think that's full time then, is it? Yes, because that was on, yeah, that was on 10-5, look, must have been one of the last kicks of the game, that. Wishing it had gone in, that'd have been a cracking goal shot, wouldn't it? But anyway, and then I'm sort of concentrating, because obviously Bradford, you thought were going to win, going on the league table, which I've guessed so wrong lately, but just thought I'd get some dejection from Graham Alexander, and looking down at the floor, look, and yeah, getting beat. And then, because you see, I was sat right next to the dugout, the entrance, the players' tunnel, so I knew everyone was going to come past me, so just waited for Cloughie, and he gave some nice celebration to the fans behind me, so quite like that. And I stayed sat down as well, so quite nice, that, like them. And yeah, that's it to finish. But yeah, just nice to get a celebration for once. And then, so what game have I got next? I'm still missing my Lincoln game on, I think on, oh, I can't remember when that was now, 4th of January, I think, so I'm way behind. And then obviously I didn't have a game weekend before last, I was cancelled for Bradford. And where did I go? I can't even remember where I went this weekend. So if I can get 2 games out this week, I will. But obviously there might be a bonus game next week. I'm at Notts County this weekend, so that should be good. I like shooting at Notts County. Easy parking, easy to work at. And fingers crossed, it looks like it's going to be pretty wet. So I'll have to get all my wet gear put in and everything. And yeah, well... Again, sorry I didn't get a game out on Friday, but I'm going to try and get this one out now, but it's 8:20 now, so whether or not it'll go out tonight, I don't know. Probably be a Tuesday night bonus game for you. But anyway, job's a good one. Enjoy the rest of your week, guys, and I'll catch up on Friday. That's a promise. Job's a good one.